We're going to use the funnel so that we don't waste anything to fill it. So you're going to put that right there. And you're going to pour some water. Yep, there you go. Okay, stop. And I'm going to check it to make sure it's not too much. It's just a little bit over. So I'm going to pour a little out. And now you're at 45. Wait. You ready for the next step?
Mm-hmm.
It says use the funnel to put your solid, about 1 spoon of baking soda. You got your teaspoon?
Yeah. Teaspoon.
Into the balloon. So you need to, I'm going to put it on there for you, like this. Hold it like that. Teaspoon of baking soda. Whoa, we got to fill it all the way up. You want to be at the right amount. So a teaspoon is basically the whole thing is full. I'm going to help you, sorry.
Accurate measurements for the scientist Nasr.
So you see the difference? That one's full all the way to the top?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you want to have it. Pour it inside of there.
Did it go down?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, hold it.
Oh, no, hold it. Hold it straight up, Nasr. You don't want it to waste out.
Okay, it says carefully attach the lip of the balloon to the top of the test tube. And make sure you leave the bulk of the balloon holding the baking soda hanging down so it doesn't fall into the test tube just yet. Then it says when you're ready, pick up the balloon so that the baking soda falls into the test tube and watch the balloon inflate. Wait, because mommy missed one part that you were supposed to do. Fill the test tube with 45 milliliters of water and 1 spoon of citric acid. I missed that part. So you gotta put some citric acid into the water. Put it in there. Good. Okay. So now we're gonna try to do this as best as we can. Can you hold this part of the balloon? Yeah, hold it so it don't go in. This part of the balloon, Pooh. Down here. Don't let it fall. Keep holding it, Nana. Don't pull away from me. You gotta work with me. Okay. It looks like it's all covered. Now when you're ready, you pick the balloon up and pour it in too. So pick this part of it up. This part right here, Pooh. And let it go inside. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna move my hand. It's up to you. Hold it. Pour it in. You gotta let it go.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's super cool, Nasr. Don't pop it. Don't pop it. Let it keep going.
Okay, I heard you ask the question, what's happening? It says the baking soda is an alkaline substance and the acidic citric acid will occur acid-base chemical reaction to produce a large amount of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gather more and more to blow up the balloon.
Wow.
So the carbon dioxide from the citric acid in the baking soda is making the balloon blow up like that.
Wow, Nasr.
Did you like that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's gonna
It's not
pop.
gonna pop.
What is gonna do?
What does it feel like? Does it feel like a regular balloon? Is there water in there? What does it feel like? Touch it and see. Does it feel empty?
No.
Wow. Don't waste it.
Don't get carried away.
That was cool, Nasr.
Did you like that one?
Uh-huh.
It was probably your best reaction thus far since you've kind of done the other ones before.
Whoa.
I said, wow. That was cool. Now, see, what do you...
I want to do it again.
Of course you would like to do it again.